Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Audio Technica Pro 44. This is the Pro Point condenser boundary microphone. As you can see right here on the bottom, Pro 44 Cardioid. This is a great microphone for many different applications. We use it as a talkback here in the studio. Essentially what that means is we can hook this up, speak into it. That's routed through our interface and into the room over there, which is pretty awesome. And there's a reason why we got this one. So I'll kind of talk a little bit about it, kind of tell you guys why we chose to get this one here at the studio and why we like it so much. So to start off, it's got a half-space unidirectional polar pattern. As you can see, it's much different than most microphones that you're probably used to. Handheld microphones definitely has that like boundary style polar pattern that's wrapped all the way around the body of the microphone, which is pretty cool. One reason why it functions so great here is because it has a very, very low profile design. It really fits right in with everything here. It's flat, it's black, it doesn't get in the way, it almost looks like it's part of this console, which is pretty awesome. Very much so. And it, the great thing about it being so small is that it's very, very inconspicuous. And we like that. We don't want to, be running around in here with like a big like SM57 or something that's weird and I don't know, just out of place. It's got really great sound quality. It is a condenser, obviously, so it does pick up quite a bit in the room. That's something that I wish could be maybe gated or something like that. I'm sure there's a way to do that. We haven't done that. So, when you are listening to the talkback in the booth, it definitely picks up a lot of the room noise, a lot of the computer noise, a lot of the just like the air, people talking, things like that. That being said, it is crystal clear, so can't really complain on that. And in fact, these, that's kind of what they're good for. I actually got the idea to get this because I saw it on a conference table. I was out at a meeting in Nashville, and I thought that was such a good idea. It was such an interesting microphone. We had something different before, and so it's really cool. I think that we were able to get something like this. It's very versatile. It's got self-contained electronics, which is pretty neat. Basically eliminates any sort of need for external power modules, anything like that. So it works all by itself. It's definitely got that wide range condenser element, although really, really lightweight diaphragm. This thing is just like, it's super, super lightweight. You would really probably never even guess that it was a microphone if you didn't know the brand. And so, it just works really well all around. It's got a really, really rugged construction, which I dig. Besides the fact that it's low profile, it's very, very stable, feels very sturdy. It just has like just a nice kind of like almost brushed aluminum kind of feel to it. I love the grate on it. It's really nice looking. The grill, excuse me. It also comes with this 25-foot detachable cable, so it's great. It's a very thin cable. It is basically a TA3F to XLRN cable, but it's nice. You can run it pretty far out, 25 feet out, so it's pretty good. It's perfect for these sorts of applications. Other than that, there's not really much else I can say. If you're looking for a good talkback mic, maybe something like a good conference mic, something for maybe like lectures would be really great. I feel like in lecture halls, and there's a million other places. But yeah, this is the Audio Technica Pro 44 Cardioid, and yeah, definitely do yourself a favor and check it out. Alrighty, take it easy.